I'm Catherine Gordon from CatherineTraining.com and SugarFreedom.com. I'm going to demonstrate to you some beginner intervals. I call these besties. My name's Catherine Best Gordon, and my idea is I want you to use your best form. You've probably heard, you may have heard of the Tabata protocol, which is 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest. Besties are a little bit different. So we're focusing on zipping up the core, so you're pulling in the abs, you're closing the ribs, and the shoulders are down. What I want to do in a bestie is to match the work to the rest. So the work interval is going to be exactly the same as the rest interval. Now this is for beginners. This is for any of you who are saying, spring is here, I want to get up and get moving, but I don't want to hurt myself and I'm not quite sure what to do first. So you can go back in my channel. My gentle warm-up is here in this channel. So do your warm-up first, and then here are your besties. So we're going to do 10 seconds of work or 10 reps of work followed by 10 seconds or 10 reps of rest. And we're going to do a stick up, and we're going to do just a simple body weight squat, and then we're going to do some cross crawls, and then we're going to do a total body extension. So those are 4 different exercises, and you can do this. What I would do is I'd go for about 11 minutes. If you're wanting to use fat, getting your body to access your fat stores for energy, I'd like you to stick to about 11 minutes of this maximum. If we go any longer, we risk getting into that moderate intensity steady state cardio zone, where I believe we are at risk of possibly using muscle and increasing appetite. All right, so here we go. So the first exercise is just going to be a stick up, and it's 1, 2, it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The rest interval is exactly the same. 1, 2, it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gentle, simple body weight squat, lower down and push the floor away. 2, abs very tight. 3, ribs are closed. 4, it's 5, really squeeze. 6 and 7, squeeze that waistline. 8, 9, and 10. The rest interval is exactly the same, so you're really going to come back to a good rest. And we'll call this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to take a cross crawl. The back is going to stay in neutral. 1, 2, 3, pull it in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you're going to take that 10 seconds of rest. Do you notice how my heart rate is coming right back down? It's easy for me to talk, easy for me to hold a conversation with the camera. You see how I'm really letting the body come back down, correct? Let's take 3 more seconds. And then we're going to finish with the total body extension. It's 1 and 2, 3. Really contract the ribs and the belly on the way down. 8, 9, and 10. And then I would take 10 seconds of rest, and I would go back and repeat that. Yesterday, when I was at home, so I picked some harder exercises, and of course I am a certified personal trainer, and I've been training like this since 2012. So I went for a full 30 minutes because that was my training for yesterday. I'm gonna lift for today. It was exhilarating, I felt fantastic. So the concept is I want us to use fat, and I want us to use our discipline in the kitchen. So in order to save our discipline for our nutrition program and for sticking to our eating, I want us to really enjoy our training. So one of the ways that you can enjoy doing intervals is do besties. So you've got your best form, and then you're resting as long as you're working. So in besties, your work interval is exactly the same as your rest interval. So thank you for watching. I'm Catherine from CatherineTraining.com. My nutrition program is SugarFreedom.com. And I will be coming back very soon with the next level of Besties, which are going to be for the intermediate exerciser. Thanks everybody. Make it a wonderful day. Bye-bye.